Pythonic way to check empty dictionary and empty values. I am using these kind of dictionaries. They can be or totally empty like collection_A or contain a single one level a nested dictionary which might be empty. It won't have more levels. Or isn't there a unique way to check if A or B have values? You can check all, collection_B.values, but that won't work for collection_A where it will return true. You can also check bool, collection_A.values, but that won't work for collection_B where it will return true. Isn't there a unique way to include both cases?
Test with any since empty dicts are falsy. This assumes that the dictionary value is always a dictionary.
If you want to check whether the dictionary has values, and whether all the values, if any, are truthy, just combine your two tests. The bool in the first part is optional, but without it you will get an unintuitive if the dictionary is empty. Of course, if you only want to check whether any of the values in the collection are truthy, this is not entirely clear from your question. All you have to do is any collection, as already stated in other answers. This will at the same time also check whether the collection is non-empty.
Alternatively, bool, in combination with more itatals collapse.
Because. So you can check like this. If you want to check dict A or dict B then.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.